how to find expired apps and websites you logged in on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find expired apps and websites you logged in on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find history lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and here just go down again until you find this one here, apps and websites, and click logged in with Facebook, and here just click expired, and here you can find it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.